Now we're going to make our text just a little bit shinier. So what we're going to do is as we can see, we have the Alpha 1 copy here selected that has all of our fade effects. What we're going to do is we're going to select on our Chrome copy now, and it's going to bring it up like so. What we're going to do is we're going to add a lighting effect to this. So let's go to Filter, and let's go to Render. Let's go to Lighting Effects like so. And it's going to ask us to rasterize the type, and we're going to go ahead and hit OK. So let's say, let's turn on directional here. Let's go ahead and move this up a little bit. I'm going to change this guy around just a little bit. You know what? Never mind. We'll just do it on Spotlight. There we go. Zoom it out some so we got a lot going on here. Let's go ahead and grab this and bring him over like so. There we go. Now what I'm going to do is, let's see. This looks pretty good here. We're going to leave our intensity at 35. Our focus, we'll just leave it wide like so. There we go. We can actually turn that off if we want, but we're going to leave it on. Let's say we're going to take our shiny up a bit. Let's take it up into the mid-40s. Let's take it to 50. There we go. And material, we're going to take this more towards metallic. And take it all the way. There we go. And of course our exposure, we're just going to kind of leave it in the middle here. We'll actually take it up just a little bit, just a hair. More towards the positive side than the negative. And we're going to have a texture channel here. We're going to use our Alpha 1 copy that we made. And as you can see, it's going to pop out a little bit now. And that's what we're going to want. So we're going to leave it at 50% on white is high and mountainous. So we'll go ahead and hit OK. And as you can see there, it's chromed our text out, or it's giving us some shadows here. I think I'm going to go back and readjust that lighting so it's filling up more of this than just that part there. So what we'll do is, while I'm doing that, we'll pause here and pick this up in the next part.